How's it going, everyone? Pretty excited for today's video and what I'm gonna do today. So you guys know I had the long tube installed, right? And I have it paired up to my Nismo replica exhaust, eBay exhaust, same style as like the MagnaFlow, Tanabe, whatever you want to call it. That one arc version. It's nice, 3-inch. It's, I liked it when I had it, but now it's got to go because it's loud. It's very droney because the resonator is pretty small, and multiple exhaust leaks that I'll show you guys when I get under there. Well, I'm replacing it with the new exhaust today, and in my opinion, if you're staying cheap and on a budget, this is the best exhaust you could get. For you 350Z guys, it'll fit bolt on no problem. For the G35 people, you will need an extension piece. Now, I have an extension piece on my exhaust. However, I don't think it's long enough, or it might not be long enough, and I think it's only 2.5 inch diameter. But we'll cross that road when we get there. But let's look at the exhaust. ISR single exhaust. Big. Now the big reason I got this was for this right here, the resonator. It's got a big resonator on it, even though it's still a straight through, full straight through exhaust. It's got this massive resonator, and from the videos that I've seen, it's super deep, not very raspy at all, and that's the big thing I wanted. That's why I didn't go with Tomei or Agency, even the Z1. Those are just too loud for me, and I really want to quiet my car down and not have as much drone. So that's a big reason why I went with this. It's a full 3-inch single, big resonator. So being a full 3-inch single, you're gonna get optimal, performance gains as much as you can get. Sound-wise, singles, people have different opinions on how singles, sound. I think they sound great depending on which one you get. I don't think the Tomei sounds good. It's loud, but I don't think it sounds good. But that's just my opinion. I'm probably gonna get wrecked for saying that, but that's why I went the ISR single. So I mean, just from, I'm not gonna take this wrap off yet, but I mean, all the welds look great. It looks like a quality piece, and this was only 250 to 280 bucks. So that's why I say, if you're looking for performance and sound, this is the best exhaust you could buy if you're staying on a budget. So with that being said, I've got some gaskets and bolts. We are going to install this, and I'm pretty excited because I've had this for like about a week now, and I want to install it so bad. If you could tell by the facial hair, it's been a bit since I made that last clip. Due to the weather and me being super lazy, I've held this install off for about like a week now, almost a week and a half. So now I'm finally doing it. As you can see, I got the entire exhaust disconnected from all the hangers, disconnected the V-band from the Y pipe, and I thought I would be able to just slip it out. However, the resonator chamber for the XYZ pipe is catching on the that W-shaped brace in the middle of the car, and I can't slip it out. Tried undoing the bolts, and on every single one of them, one will come off, or nuts, whatever you want to call them. One will come off, but the other one won't, and I've rounded off 2 of them, and it's annoying. I'm getting tired of it. So last ditch effort, I'm just gonna take off that W brace, just lower it down because it just needs to get lowered this much, and then I can slip the whole exhaust right out, and then be able to put on the single. My new extension piece came in. Decided just to buy a brand new one with new gaskets. So hopefully this goes well because I really want this thing on. I'm trying to get it on today before it gets dark. And if I don't think any of you guys care, but today, the 29th, today is my birthday. So it would be nice to get this on and installed for my last, birthday present of the day. Wish me luck. And there she is, old exhaust. Here's part of the resonator on the Motordyne. Really hope I didn't punch a hole in it. I'm trying to look. So when I try to take these bolts off. Okay, we're good. I thought I punched a hole in the, because it was hard to get a wrench down in here. Okay, we're good. So yeah, resonator, extension piece. I bought a new one. And then here's the rest of the Nismo rep, full 3-inch. You can see, main reason I'm getting rid of this, better sound, and the wells down here on the underside, all along here are cracked. So it's a big reason I'm getting rid of this thing. Served me well for, the 3 years I've had it. I think it's been 3 years. I can't remember, 3 or 4 years. But here's what I mean. One bolt I would get off, other one would strip, both ends. Yeah, I'm just finally to have this off, taking off that W-shaped brace in the middle helped so much. I'm mad that I didn't do that earlier. Now it's time to install the new one. Well, the whole exhaust is on. I don't know if there's enough lighting to see it, but I'm gonna let you guys listen to the first startup while I crawl into there and look for any leaks, because there's one bolt on this first one down here. I don't know, I won't be able to show you guys, it'll be too dark. After the resonator, when it connects to the muffler, there's one bolt I couldn't get as tight as I would have liked to, but looking at it, I don't think it'll be an issue. Well, I'm about to find out. So I'll sit you guys over here. Well, that sounded pretty good. I do have exhaust leaks though. So I'm gonna get that worked out right now. Hopefully. Yeah, I'll get those worked out. I'm leaking from after the extension and at that one spot where I didn't get the bolt tight enough, so I'm over this. Alright guys, well that's it. I went back, tightened up those bolts as best as I could. I'm assuming it's gonna leak, especially that rear one. That's the second one right here, I got it pretty good. That rear one, though, I think it's gonna leak still. But that was giving me an excuse to buy some Z1 gaskets like I have for my Y pipe. And I'll just take it to a shop, have them do it. So already assuming that's gonna leak, so I'll just plan ahead and fix that. But overall, yeah, it looks great. Sounded great, you guys could tell from that cold start, pretty deep. And yeah, I just think it's the best budget exhaust if you're trying to stay cheap but trying to get the best sound and performance that you can. So I hope you guys liked that video. See you in the next one. Deuces.